That's crystal. That's crystal. Well, yeah, it is. They're shooting it up. I don't know about that. Alright. We just found 2 loaded needles in the shower. Looks like crystal meth on the spoon right there. Looks like they're also using gabapentin and. Under the bag in the trash can. Shit. It's a lot of crystal. So under the trash can was a little black baggie stuffed in a cigarette carton that was hidden under the trash can. Contains what appears to be a bunch of crystal meth. So I think we're gonna be due to that too.